Hi, so welcome to the third video in this series where we're looking at the building drawing SBA major project. We're doing a 3-bedroom residential building. Again, the drawing file that I'm working on now will be in the description down below. The drawing template will also be in the description below, where all the drawing environment has been set up, including title block and everything for you. All right, now before we start, like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload these tutorials for you. All right, so last place that we left off, we were adding the windows and the doors. So now we're going to be messing with a bit more openings on our floor plan. So we're adding some more openings to our floor plan. All right, so such as the archways, if you want to call it that, those type of stuff. All right, so where are these openings going to be? We're going to have openings between our living and our dining area, because we're not going to be putting any door, open concept, as well as our kitchen area as well. And I think I'm going to open up the passage as well. All right, so that's what we're going to be doing. All right, now here we go. Let's get into things. All right, I'm going to be putting an opening inside right in the middle of this kitchen here. All right, so what I'm going to be doing is that I'm just going to draw a line across the middle here, and I want about an 8 feet opening, if that makes sense. So what I'm going to be doing, I don't know how much that is, so 8 feet, all right, divided by 2 is 4. So I'll be offsetting 4 feet to up and 4 feet down from the center line that I've just drawn. All right, 4 times 300 is 1200, so I'll offset 1200 on either side. All right, and I might use this same opening size on the other part of the building. All right, now once that is in place, I'm going to be cleaning out here by trimming. Now this is a regular opening. If it's an arch opening, then you'll draw in detail line between these space, only if it's an arch. All right, so if it's an arch, then you'll have 2 of these lines here, and the line would be probably in hidden detail, something like, do I have anything like that which has, yeah, something like this. So it would be like 2 of these side and side if you're doing like an arch opening in the building. All right, also if this is if you're also saying that inside the kitchen is a bit higher than the dining room, then you'll add a line to the edge here. All right, so all of this is just, all of these lines are actually giving information about the floor layout. All right, so those are the different things. All right, so let's go. All right, so these opening, or this opening, is going to be reflected on this area as well. So I'm going to copy these lines, CP, enter, grab onto this, and let's place it on this side as well. All right, let's like this. Then I'll trim out the middle. All right, just like that. So that is opened up now. And now we can do the same for the living and the dining area. So let's go. So line in the middle. I think I'll probably make this opening, I'll probably make it the same 8. So let's offset the 12 on either side as well. So 12 on that side, 12 on that side, and let's trim out everything from the middle. All right, just like that. All right, so all the openings are now in place. The only openings that are remaining is that is on the veranda and on the back port. All right, so what am I going to be doing here? So I'm going to be adding some openings. So I'm going to have a little column here, a big column here, one here, one sticking out here, and a reveal here as well, and the same treatment on the back. All right, so here's how I'm going to be doing this. I want my column to have about a feet going this way. So what I'll do, how am I going to do it? I'll just draw a little line like this. Yeah, I can do that. There's other ways as well. I'm going to offset it by 300. All right, like that. And I'll probably extend it to touch that there. Now I can trim away any excess that is there. This will be mirrored to the other side using this, yeah. All right, just like that. And then now I'll trim out the middle portion here. So I'll go TR, enter, and trim out here, leaving that there. And again, remember, this line is saying that inside here is higher than the outside of the house. So you step out of the house onto the veranda, and then you step down another bit to go outside on the dirt, if you want to call it that. Doing the same treatment here. So I'm going, yeah, I'm just going to draw, yeah, I'm going to draw a line across here, and then offset it by 150 instead. 150. So I offset this up like this. All right, and then I can now mirror this line to probably here. No, all right, something like that. And then I'll now do the trim thing. All right, and trim out here, leave all of that there. All right, doing the same thing on the other side. I can mirror all of this here to the other side, or I could copy it. The option is yours. I'm just going to mirror it and select no, I don't want to delete, and then I'll do my trim thing and get rid of that there. Again, remember, if here is an archway or so, then you know you have the in detail line, or you could cross it with an X, things like that. All right. I like squares, I like straight lines. As you can see, everything is straight, one line, straight line, straight line, straight line. All right, so that's me. All right, so your design will be a reflection of you. So let's do our back port now, back opening. Same treatment. Let's go. Let me draw a line there, and I'm going to do the same on this side here. I'm just going to offset each one of these lines by 150. So O, enter, 150, enter, and let's offset this here to my right, offset this line here down, and no further use for these line here. And then now I can simply mirror this to the other side. No, mirror this down. No, and then I'll trim away the excess. All right, this is just how I do it. Other persons design differently, but this is just my way. So all windows, openings, and doors are in now. So I'm going to stop it here. So this video is going to be adding openings to your floor layout. See you in the next one. Remember, the file is going to be down in the description below. All right, the drawing template is also going to be in the description below. All right, thanks for watching this video. Again, leave a like, and see you in the next tutorial.